You know the traditional workflow. A designer finishes a polished screen, then hands it off, and a developer rebuilds the exact same interface from scratch, in code. The same thing, built twice. Duplicating effort whilst design and code drift apart, and generic AI mockups still require manual developer fixes. UXPin changes this by turning code into your single source of truth. On this canvas, a component is not a mere picture of a button. It is the actual button, built with real React, real props, and real variants. You are designing directly with the same components your development team ships. In this series, we preview how this works in 3 fast steps. First, you bring your coded components in. Next, you design and generate layouts with them using visual tools and AI. Finally, we show you how to transition your designs to development, wiring screens into a working product with UXPin Wire. One connected system, where design and code are finally the same thing. Welcome to UXPin,